Hey guys, welcome to my cooking show. Today we're getting some ice cream cone cupcakes. Get some cake mix. Pour the cake mix in the bowl. It's snowing. It's snowing. Add 1 cup of oil. Add 1/2 cup of oil. Add 3 eggs. Get some ice cream cones. Get some ice cream cones. Put your cone halfway. Okay. Ew. Bake at 350 for 24 minutes.
A few moments later.
It's frosting time. Add 1 cup of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In here. Mix until creamy. Get 3 cups sour sugar. Slowly add it in. As milk as needed. Piping bag.
More moments later.
Now you frost it. Add some sprinkles. Sprinkles too. Enjoy. But the butter. Not the butter. Thanks for joining us, guys. Bon appetit. Mwah.